Hello children, today we will solve few question of miscellaneous exercise 1. Like this is question number first, this is answer number first. You can read the question, it is a word problem. I can read this. It says in a survey of 60 people, it was found that 25 people read newspaper H, 26 T, 26 I. 9 read both I and H, 11 read both H and T, and 8 read both T and I, and 3 read all the 3 newspapers. So there are two parts: the number of people who read at least one of the newspaper, and second part, the number of people who read exactly one of the newspaper. Now, if through Venn diagram you can assume that these are the 3 newspapers H, T and I. You can assume like Hindustan Times, Times of India or Indian Express or whatever you think. And so this total is H, means number of people reading newspaper H. It is given that they are 25. So we have written this like number of the people reading newspaper H is 25. Similarly, number of people reading newspaper T is 26. It is given mathematically, we have written in this way. Similarly, Ni is equal to 26, and the common of H and I means those people who read both the newspaper H and I, means H and I means the part of H and I. This part is the part of H and I are 9. Similarly, H intersection T is 11 and T intersection I is 8. And these are the number of people who read all the newspaper, means this dark side, this is the area, means these are the number of people who read all the newspapers. Now these are the given information. We have to find first part, that how many people are there who read at least one of the newspaper, at least this or this or this. So at least means we will use the formula like we have already told you, that if there are three sets, then a number of A union B union C, means either this or this or this, is equal to Na plus Nb plus Nc minus N A intersection B minus N B intersection C minus Nc intersection A, and finally plus N A intersection B intersection C. We have already learned this formula in our previous topic. So here we will replace A, B, C by H, T and I. So that is the same thing, H, T and I. What will it be? H, T, I. Then H comma T, T common means intersection, T intersection I, and H intersection I or I intersection H, minus this H intersection T intersection I, right? And this means number of people who read at least one of the newspaper H or T or I. So you just have to put these values NH, NT, NI, NH plus NT plus NI, then their minus of their intersection, this, and plus N H intersection T intersection I, right? So because the space is less here, so we can directly write it here. So if you notice, so all the values of these are written here. NH means 25, then this is 26, and this is again 26, minus their common 9 minus 11 minus 8 and plus 3, right? Add these and solve this. The answer will be, this will be 52. So there are 52 people who like at least one of the newspaper H or T or I. Now second part says, let me erase this. Question number 15, second part says, what is the what is the number of people who read exactly one of the newspaper? Means exactly means only this part and only this part and only this part. So we have to add this part, this part and this part, right? That is our answer. So if you see this figure, and if I write second part as NH only, see carefully, I will not write this for every set. H only means only this part. So if you notice here again, like this B H, this B T, this B I, H T I. Only this part means first you have from this NH. See here, this means NH, this total H you will subtract what? NH you have to subtract this one, means this one, and this one means H and I. The common of H and I means number of the people in their common, right? And this is again left. So what you have to do, you have to again subtract this part, and this part is the common of what? N H intersection T. But notice here, this part is cut twice, once by this and other by this. So you have to add at least this part once. This part says N H intersection T intersection I. So this is the part of H only, means from this H subtract this, but this part is subtracted two times, so you have to add it once. So these are the number of people who read exactly the newspaper H, right? So I am writing these values. They are 25, means 25 minus this part is 11 minus 9 plus 3. So these are 8. So these are 8 people who read exactly H. Similarly, if I say how many people who read exactly T, T only, that means again you will add NT, means NT minus what? The common of the 2 with T, means T intersection S, H minus number of T intersection I, but similarly this part is again added twice, subtracted twice, so we have to subtract this once, right? Now by putting these values, you will get the answer like previous. It will come by putting the value 10. Similarly, for the last newspaper I only, what you have to do, same rule, then the answer will come by putting these values. The answer will come 12, right? You can do it. Now H only, T only, I only. Therefore, the total number of the students who read exactly one of the newspaper will be their sum, means 8 plus 10 plus 12. The answer is 12 plus 8, 20 plus 10, 30. So there are 52 students who read at least one of the newspaper, but there are 30 students, not students, people. So there are 30 students who read exactly one of the newspaper, H or T or I, right?